101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Yes, as usually every Wednesday at 7 p.m. until 8, of course, we are here with English communities. Yes, Smart of Your Life English discussion. And with me, Erdesa. And I'm not alone here. We have friends from a few or several communities, English communities in South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. And good evening for smart listeners and viewers at home. Hi guys. Hello. Please use this, please. Okay. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. How are you guys?
We are fine.
How are you?
Yeah, pretty good.
Pretty good.
So.
Yeah, welcome back in our second home in Smart FM.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
English communities, guys. Yes, smart listeners at home, wherever you are. Yeah, before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, we would like to invite them one by one to introduce themselves one by one to you guys. Yeah, and we start from the one and only, the most beautiful here. Please, do you know the question or clue, right?
It's
okay.
yeah,
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm back again with being the only girl again. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Aura. I'm representative of Hasanuddin English Debating Society, which known as UKM-DBI Unhas. So basically, we are the extracurricular for the undergraduate students in Hasanuddin University, especially for those of them who likes to improve the debating skills, especially in English one. I think that's all I can say.
Okay, welcome back, Aura.
Thank you, Kak.
Yes, okay. What is your name? What is your English communities and how looks like?
Okay,
come
thank you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Irwan Shah, but usually my friends call me Irwan. And my activity in our course start from 8 o'clock. We study about vocabulary and then we memorize together.
It's boarding house,
Yeah,
right?
boarding house.
Okay.
And then we will continue afternoon, 1 o'clock. We study about grammar, structure, composition, and etc. And then continue again evening for sharing together. Yeah, just it.
Okay, welcome back, Irwan from ECC. Next, the orange one.
Hello, my name is Anas. I'm from Poltekpar Makassar. I'm from one of the community in Poltekpar, which is name is PMEC. We usually call it PMEC. The small community in Poltekpar Makassar. I used to be hang around with them. That's it.
Okay, welcome back, Anas. Next, the newcomer here. Okay, please.
So my full name is Anan Azizi, and
Sorry?
sometimes
Who?
Anan Azizi.
Wow, Anan Azizi.
And sometimes my close friend call me Anan or just Easy. I think it's my debut in this podcast. I feel like I'm a little bit of confused about this moment, but always try my best better.
Okay.
And I take agriculture major in Hasanuddin University, and right now I'm in 6th semester. Yeah, that's all. I'm from ECC community.
Okay, sorry, I want to ask you, where are you from? Your village, your hometown.
Okay, my village. I'm from Pacarakang. I'm in Makassar city, living in Makassar, but actually, I'm live in. I was born in Bone.
Are you originally Bugis?
Yes.
Do you have another blood, like another tribe, suku yang lain? Do you have another blood?
My father sometimes from Manado, but just yes, job work.
Okay. That's why your name is unique, right? Yes, it's different. It sounds different.
I think because my father from a lecturer about Arabian culture, because this why he know much about Arabian words.
Okay, thank you, and welcome, in first debut. Okay, from ECC. Giving applause for us. Okay, guys, my listeners and viewers at home, wherever you are, yeah. As I promised that I would like to mention our topic for this evening after they, to say, introduce themselves to you guys. And our topic for this evening is this is a very unique. Our topic is impersonate skill. Giving applause. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, ready. Yes, talking about impersonate skill. This is unique. This is one of totally different phenomena, and we never listen in all of English communities discuss about this. This is for the first time, maybe in your life, right?
Yes.
To discussing about this topic, and the topic once again is impersonate skill in bahasa like keterampilan untuk meniru-niru, yeah, something like that. Okay, my first question goes to Aura. Aura, what is your reaction when you got this topic, and what do you think about this?
Okay, when Hadila sent me like the piece of things that I can fill in, I feel like, oh, this one is unique. I want to talk about this rather than like, yeah, people never will talk about this. And I forget why last time we mentioned about this. So yeah, I think that's
Oh, really?
yeah. I don't
Okay.
really hear people like mention about impersonate skill. People just like doesn't really mention about it. So yeah, it's pretty fun things to do to like talk about this. So yeah, I think that's my general comment overall.
Okay. Okay, give your statement. I move to you, the orange one. What is your reaction to got this topic for the first time, and how do you think about this?
All right, orange here.
Yes, you
here's
are.
the things. Here's the things. It is my first time hear this kind of things. Impersonate skill. What I heard before I heard it is that like, what the hell is this? Let me search it. Okay. Oh, it's a mimic, the ability to mimic other people. It means like the personality,
Yeah.
identity, our voice, other etc. And really unique discussed for today. So yeah, I will be excited for this discussion.
And we will be explore your answer.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Irwan? This is a spontaneous. I invite you to join with us. You don't. I'm not found you in flyer, but
Yeah.
it's okay. Okay, this is a good opportunity. What is your reaction when I invite you a few minutes ago?
Yeah.
How do you think?
As you know, my reaction the first time I hear this topic, I'm shocked. Why me? Sir, invite me, and then I must join.
Okay, but before I invite you a few minutes ago, did you hear this topic? Did you read
No.
in flyer
No.
from your friend?
No.
Not at all.
Yeah, suddenly.
Really? Okay, you are the man. Okay, so Anan, how do you think about the topic? You are the first time, you are newcomer here. How do you think?
I think it's an interesting topic because you know when you talk and when you interweave conversation about impersonate skills, you will be like copy or for trying to imitate or trying to a copy about several ability for the famous person. Like when you see the artist and you know the artist have a special ability, therefore why you want to be that artist because you want to impersonate that skill. And like on the TV when the several people have a special ability for impersonate, so they try to imitate or copy their special ability. Yeah.
And you know, often stand-up comedian also do that, right?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any addition or you keep your statement?
About comedy, I think yeah, sometimes when the artists in comedy like theater they will try to copy the artist because it's punishment or it's for their terms
Okay.
for the TV.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, so this is very interesting for you. Okay, you.
I'm again.
So, give more explanation about impersonate skill based on your data, because I'm
Mm.
sure that you are research right on
Yeah.
internet, from Google maybe or ChatGPT, AI, Gemini, and etc.
Yeah.
Okay, give your how to say more explore about your definition about this impersonate skill.
Before I search, I actually already seen these kind of things.
Mm-hmm.
One example is because I like watch YouTube a lot.
Okay.
And one of them is a game. The game is game role play.
Mhm.
It means like when you come to that game,
Mhm.
you need to role play as a
Dark. Sorry,
Uh,
you say dark game.
no, that game.
That game. Oh,
Yeah.
that game.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
sorry.
Continue.
I got confused. Dark. Okay.
That game.
Yeah,
okay.
that game.
Uh-huh.
We need to like, for example, in that game is at a police station, and you will be one of the employee in there.
Mhm.
So in that game, this game is online, right? So
Mhm.
everyone in that game, it should be role play as it is in their character.
Mm.
For example, they are employing a policeman.
Mhm.
They should be police, and really serious about it.
Mhm.
And that's how I know. Oh, this is a personal skill. I just searched it before. Oh, that's it. Okay. I think that's it. Yeah.
it's something like, it's not easy because this is a very complicated, right?
Yeah.
To imitate something.
Mhm.
Okay, thank you. What about you? How do you think about the people who can impersonate skill?
My opinion.
Yes,
Yeah.
about the people who can, or maybe expert about this impersonate skill.
I think the impersonate skill,
Mhm.
there is human or people can be ability, how to say kemampuan,
Ability. Yeah,
Yeah.
ability.
ability for join, etc. Maybe artist skill
Mhm.
or artist style,
Okay.
artist voice, and
Uh-huh.
etc. I think.
Uh-huh. Is this skill general or specific or unique or what?
What?
This skill is general, unique,
Yeah,
or
unique.
unique. Do you have another? Do you have a role model or maybe someone who can do impersonate skill? Do you have an idea?
I don't
Really, you don't know?
don't
Maybe because this is spontaneous. I invite you. Sorry. Okay, what about you? How do you think about this? I mean, like, give your more explanation about impersonal skill based on your data on internet.
Okay, I think that I'm not really like searching that much because
Oh, okay.
I don't wanna like portray myself to have literally the data that I stuck with that. So
Mhm.
basically, yeah, I'm open for a discussion. But
Mhm.
for me, this is a very unique things because
Mhm.
like, yeah, this skill
Mhm.
is require you to literally copy paste people's and people are different, people are unique. So basically, if you can copy like literally like how can we say that 11-12 in
Yeah,
Indonesia,
yeah.
it's very hard thing to do. So
Uh-huh.
I really adore and I really like love to watch people if they can like impersonate my favorite actors or maybe.
For example, someone suddenly
Mhm.
singing and she is like a Adele. She is like
Yeah.
a Ariana Grande.
Yeah.
She is like a Beyonce. How could it be?
You're
The
right,
dance, the
like,
gimmick,
the gimmick.
the voice, something like that. Oh my
Uh.
God! Do you have a friend in around you that can or may do this?
I don't have one, but I really across to the like TikTok. There is
Okay.
like some influencer really
Mhm.
exactly looks like Taylor Swift.
Oh,
The way
wow.
she dressed, the
Indonesia?
way nope.
No.
No, but I think like the way she's dressed, makeup and everything is really looks like Taylor Swift, and it amazed me. Like it's
Okay.
quite doppelganger of
Mhm.
Taylor Swift itself.
This phenomenon not only about voice gesture but sometimes makeup.
Yeah,
The people can, how to say, make up someone, and it's very similar with someone else.
Exactly, right.
You know what I mean, right?
I know.
Okay.
Since I'm a girl, so I really into makeup. So yeah, I saw right now that people kind of have obsessions with maybe like K-pop idol style.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
they tend to like copy paste those
Uh-huh.
makeup, and sometimes if they have the similar face features, they can literally looks same that you can confuse that is this a real makeup or just they changed their face. Or I think that's kind of impersonate if we can count them in. Okay.
So this is a very general, guys. Yeah, not only voice, your gesture, but sometimes your makeup. Yeah, it will be. It's possible. Oh my God, how it's very similar. How could it be? Oh my God. Yeah. Okay, I move. Okay, Anas. Do you have a someone or example that they or she or he can imitate someone or maybe animal, or how to say yeah, they or she or he can imitate something, not only someone but something.
Yeah. Here's the things about impersonate skill. Impersonate skill is a general.
Mhm.
I will agree with that because there's a lot of impersonate skill around in this in the world at least. For example, maybe you guys doesn't realize. For example, as a cosplay from anime.
Oh
There's
yeah.
people who their attribute and their
Yeah.
style, their makeup is
Yeah.
like a cartoon from Japan.
Yeah.
Right. That's
Yeah.
one of the
The way you how to say padang, the
Yes.
way she or he blocking or walking or
Yes.
running, it's very same.
Yeah, that's
Mhm.
true. Okay, that's one of the things. If you want to say that, even what else? Impersonate kill is almost like for example, in a high school or college, people around the top of the tier, at least the top tier in the what's that called, student in the college. People around it used to be wanna be like them, like one of those. So they try to be like them, at least for their knowledge or their style or the way they're talking, the way they behave the other people. That's one of the impersonate skill at this.
They have a family. In your family, do you have someone in your family can may how to say imitate something, maybe imitate chicken, sorry,
Yeah.
like a god, a man, or someone
I
else.
mean, I used to do it when I was kid. I see my chicken because I live in Parepare.
Okay.
In my grandma, I see my grandma chicken in there. I just impersonate
You produce the sound. You produce the sound like a chicken.
and I make it more really similar,
Okay.
like an animal or stuff.
Okay.
Maybe me.
Can you give this sample
okay.
here?
Okay, well, let me.
Okay.
Okay.
Come
Will
on,
be
come on.
tough one. Okay,
Mhm.
one of chicken, right? Yeah.
Cook.
That's one of the things. I don't know, man. It's been a long time not doing it.
Almost works.
Almost works.
Okay. What about you? And then, how do you think about this phenomena? In around, do you have someone who can imitate something?
Yeah. So
Even the things, even the car, they can how to say imitate the sound of klaxon, the sound of something.
So
Do you
I
have-
have a particular friend, my close friend, and he's very talented person because
Oh,
yes,
okay.
because he can copy another voice about the voice of animal like
Okay.
chicken,
Mhm.
and he can copy the voice about a famous artist like
Like?
Afghan.
Like this.
Oh, wait.
Tersadar.
Oh.
Like that.
He have a good voice.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's all. He very talented
Uh-huh.
person,
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Do you?
I think.
Do you? Maybe
I
you
lack
can
of
imitate
confidence.
someone or something, animal or the things like a car, like a motorcycle, like or maybe like a phenomena, natural phenomena.
Okay,
Do you?
so sometimes I was watching
Mhm.
basketball in
Mhm.
NBA TV,
Mhm.
and when I had a free time
Uh-huh.
in my room alone, sometimes I will act like a basketball player in my
Okay.
room. Yes,
Uh-huh.
and when my mother
Mhm.
opened my room,
Mhm.
suddenly.
Hey, what are you doing?
Yes, suddenly she say, "Hey, what are you doing?"
Are you crazy?
I be shy.
Okay, okay. Give your statement. What about you? Do you have someone, or you know someone can imitate the nature, the how to say, the items or things, or the animals or people, someone?
Yeah, I have friends can do it. Some like my friends always hear uh, his phone. Some like hear Tilawa maybe,
Ah,
and then
yeah.
yeah, I think
Who
yes.
is the role model and who is imitate?
Yeah,
For example, when someone can imitate the Tilawa, the voice of Tilawa. Do you get my point? For example, maybe do you have a, maybe your friend can imitate someone like in Islamic figure, like okay, Haji Zainuddin MZ or Maulana,
yeah,
and etc. Do you have a family or friends like that?
yeah. I have two friends. Yeah, can do it. Some
Mhm.
like how to say charama.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
And similar with
So-
when they imitate the Islam figure, Islam artist, uh, yeah, who is the role model?
some like the satellite maybe.
Ah,
Yeah.
do you?
Because that Ustaz is funny for ceramah.
Do you? You can imitate? Is that the
Just
relative or
little
is
bit.
okay, okay. Give a sample. Give a sample.
I'm shy.
How? Do you?
No.
No? But sometimes. Sometimes.
If alone, if
Oh, I see. Okay. I see. Okay, what about you? Do you have friends or family, or maybe you can imitate something?
I don't know if it's my life is very flat because I don't really have someone that love to do that. Oh, unless I have friends who love to
Mhm.
cosplay.
Okay.
Yeah, I think
One
that's
Piece, yeah.
no, cosplayer.
Oh,
She's like
cosplayer.
cosplayer.
Okay.
She's like one cosplayer. I think
Mhm.
that's only friends that I have. I don't really have like that lot like the others one.
But you, do you have a skill, even only little things?
I don't think I have one because I don't have
Like maybe you can produce your sound like a voice over to imitate someone, when someone when the role model like speak and you can imitate.
Oh, so sorry to, but I don't really have one. I think my life is so flat.
Oh no.
But I cannot do that anymore.
Oh really?
Really.
Okay, like how to say, when like the artist saying something or the singing or presenting like a host or something, or maybe animal. No, not at all.
Not at all.
Oh
So
my
sad.
god. How pity you are.
Oh my
Okay. Giving applause for us. Yes, talking about impersonate skill, this is our very, very unique and how to say, di luar jangkauan ya. Out of the box. So my next question is this skill can it produce a lot of money or only art? Apakah skill ini bisa menghasilkan banyak uang atau hanya sebatas seni? Okay, you.
Oh my god. Okay, for me, it depends.
Hmm.
Maybe because I'm a law student, I always answer with it depends.
Mhm.
So basically, if you
Mhm.
going with hobby, like my friends, they are cosplayer,
Mhm.
instead of earn money,
Mhm.
they tend to like spend money to do that.
Oh,
Like to
okay.
like buying the attributes,
Oh,
buying the
yeah.
costumes, and
Yeah.
etc. But it can be like so yeah, for them it's more like the art itself to like to fun. But honestly, if we talk about the artists, especially comedian, it will be very good things to have the impersonate skill. Especially I've mentioned before about those those influencers that impersonate Taylor Swift, and yeah, she got famous because of that. So yeah, she gained money because she impersonate Taylor Swift.
You know Rina Nose?
I know
Rina Nose,
her.
okay, can do everything. Oh my God, she's how to say the queen,
Multi-talent. Yeah,
the
right.
queen of impersonate in Indonesia. Oh my God, she can imitate everyone. You know, she can imitate the pop artist, dangdut artist, host, yeah, and many figures in Indonesia. She is incredible. She is a powerful, amazing
She's really artist.
artist. Really,
Really
really
artist.
entertainer. Yeah,
Entertainer.
Okay. What about you? Is this skill can produce a lot of money or only art?
Yeah, of course. This
And why?
because I have friends.
Mhm.
Always
Friends or friend?
friend.
Friends. Friends,
Yeah,
okay.
many.
Okay.
I think can got money because if my friends always saw video in the media social, and then we he follow his voice, and then post in the social media, something like that.
You know this voice. Hi Patrick.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You know
yeah.
who is the voice?
I forget.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Do you still have any explanation? Okay, come on, continue.
Yeah. I continue my explain, and then my friends my friends posting in their social media, and then another people interesting what my friends do it in the social media, and then like subscribe, and then like that. I think.
How to say monetize
Yeah.
monetize on social media.
Yeah,
So of course can produce a lot of money.
Yeah.
Okay, if you are how to say, if your content success. Thank you. What about you? Is this gonna produce a lot of money or so or not at all on because this is only art, and why?
One thing we can agree about that this thing is a beneficial things, because this thing is improve our things, like for example, if you want to get money, of course you want to be approach in entertainment. If you your approach is what's that called again, the skill, impersonate skill.
Okay.
It's more like an entertainment if you want to get more money. For example, like a broadcast or newscasting, right? Newscasting, if you want to learn newscasting, you need to know the professional one in usually in a TV show or something like that. You need to get better on similar like that one. So you more have a role play to your goals, right? But this can be some kind of improve your skill. For example, like you just want to be good at the things. You see someone that she good at it, he good at it. I need to be good at a thing at the same times. So yeah, I think that's a good thing. If you want to say, if you want to get money, of course, yes you can. Or you want to improve yourself, yes you can.
So it's depend. It's depend on
It depends, yeah, of course.
your creativity,
Yeah.
your effort. Yes.
Sure. Yeah. It depends. You wanted to approach this kind of skill.
So you, and then how do you think about this? Is this can produce a lot
Okay,
of money, so or not at all, and why?
From my opinion, I think it's very able, because you can got much money from your like your voice or your mimicking or your copy, because you can cheating on people on telephone. Like in the Sidrap city, we can know about pasobis.
Pasobis.
Yes, the pasobis can mimicking and can copy the voice, like in the office,
Hadirin
in the
dan
office
pemirsa.
person. Yes, like this. Because this why can get the money, because they have many talent. Yes, and I think you can get work, like you can feel like voice animal voice, like this. Yeah, very many job who need work like filler a voice.
Okay, so it's possible. Yeah?
Yes,
It's possible, but also it's depend on your
yes,
creativity.
sometimes.
Yeah,
if
and
you-
your effort.
Yes.
Consistent.
Yes,
And et
constantly
cetera.
you should practice
Mhm.
every minute, maybe every day, about your
Mhm.
talented, because talented without practice, it's zero. I think it's useless.
Okay. So my next question is, how if someone or the how to say sekelompok college people abuse their skill because they can imitate someone something and etc. For example, they imitate kuntilanak, but they do prank, yeah, to their friends, yeah, to her, to his friend. So and also to penipuan, when you calling something, you switch your voice and you start action to menipu. Halo ibu. For example, so yes, right?
Yes.
How do you think about this? Impersonal scale abuse. Sorry. How do you think about this? Maybe I start from you. How if this happened, abusing impersonate skill?
Yeah, I think that's why I say it's very able, because you can get some function from your talented of impersonate skills. So you can make the people, or maybe about the criminal, because
criminal.
because you can copy that voice like kuntilanak, and you can make the criminal get out from your from your house, when the criminal try to maybe try to take your precious stuff. Yeah, that's all.
I'm still waiting. Okay, thank you, Anna. What about you? How do you think about because this is a skill. Skill is natural. Yeah, may positive, may negative. But how if someone or the college people abusing this skill?
Okay, because he's already talked about criminal. I will talk other else. For example, like a prank. Prank. I think I'm not agree with them. Like a prank is not a good things for me. Mostly, there's a good pranks.
Why?
Why is that called good pranks?
Yeah. No. Why you disagree? Why you don't?
I don't agree
Yeah.
with pranks.
Yeah.
Because most of pranks, because I don't know about Indonesia, but I see in other country, they, for example, they take advantage from other people, like their time, their whatever. It's just they just annoying people in the street and public. I think I'm not agree with them. Here's that's why I not agree with impersonate skill when you use it like that.
Abusing.
Yeah, that's
menyalahgunakan.
that's true. That's the most abusing things. Like for example, as well, like a prank call, like a for example, like sir, I wanna call, I wanna take a pizza. Can I take a pizza?
yeah.
Right. Yeah, mostly in other
Okay.
country that yes, of course, can I take 20 pizza? Yes. After that you get take it home into 20 pizza, but just suddenly there's no one in there, or there's it's not their home, for example. So that's the things that I really not agree with the prank, and especially when you use your impersonate skill in that way.
Okay. So bad.
It is really bad.
It's like how to say in English, merugikan. Yeah, harmful. That's very harmful, guys. Okay, so how do you think about the people or people's abusing this skill?
Yeah, I think some like them it's not good for me, because if
Not only for you, but for people also.
no,
Okay, continue.
if people make it some like praying, make it style some like ghost, right? And
like
then,
like someone imitate Susanna.
yeah.
Right? You know what I mean? Okay, continue.
And then it's so bad if sometimes my friends praying my friends again another. We don't know. Another people sometimes shock maybe.
Yeah.
It's so bad if
And die, maybe?
yeah, sometimes if
Yeah, because it's very scary, man.
yeah, scary.
Someone imitate the kuntilanak, and we are very paranoid. How to say? It's
Yeah.
very very scared. Yeah.
yeah.
Any else?
Nothing.
Okay, enough. Okay, what about you, Aura? How do you think about the people abusing this skill?
Same with others. I think that this is real bad for like abusing the skill, but I think I would love to talk about the tangible impact itself. This is the things that I've been also feel. For example, because we know that's a lot of people that do pasobis or something, or to imitate persons, like imitate police. So when people calls us, even if it's a real police, it's a real things that they want to talk, we tend to like don't believe at them, because this kind of people that try to impersonate, they try to use it for the harmful things. That's more the tangible impact. I
You
think.
know, in our reality, around our family, sometimes do that. They prank us. Yeah, right?
Right.
Our friends, our close friend. Yeah,
Yeah,
they
right.
prank us. They how to say acting and how to say create impersonate skill, and it's like harmful for us. For
Yeah.
example, when someone be like a ghost, the voice like a ghost. Yeah, and we are alone in our home.
That's very
and-
scary anyway.
And they switch off
The light.
the light. Oh my God. And suddenly, oh my God, what is this? Oh my God. Do you have experience like that?
Oh, certainly no. If I have one, I will literally will cut off that friend, bro.
No.
No, I don't have one.
Alhamdulillah, yeah, never, yeah.
I don't want to have.
Okay. Yes.
Sorry, before you continue, can someone explain to me about posobis? I don't know about posobis.
Yeah, Pasabis, please explain.
Oh, basically, it's kind of like how to say in English, penipuan.
Oh, posobis.
Something like that.
Oh,
That's
that.
pretty.
Oh, that's the thing. Okay.
You want to make edition about Pasabis?
Okay, so actually,
They are very know well about Pasabis. Okay.
so I don't know I don't know actually about pasobis, but I ever hear about my people, because I have many friends from Sidrap, and he sometimes feel his time for get money, and
Okay.
yes, and they get money from that cheating trick. Yes, from like SMS messenger. Yes, from yes,
my God.
WA or web, legal web.
Okay, thank you for your it's like a secret information actually. It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean, I keep hearing those things, but I never get excitement. Why is these things? But yeah, now I know.
Okay, now I know. Okay, my next question. We're talking about the negative, but now we're talking about the positive sides. Yes. What is the impact? What is the positive effect if someone or the peoples can do this skill? Yeah. what is the positive side or the benefits when someone or people can do this impersonate skill?
Yeah. Before I say the benefit for our people.
Jamaah. Okay, continue.
For people have how to say?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because can be got money,
Mm-hmm.
can be got friends another country maybe
Mm-hmm.
if have important apa?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. The benefits is you can get a lot of money.
Yeah, a lot of
You
money.
can get easy friends.
Yeah, easy friends.
And they have a big opportunity.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. What about you, Aura? What is the benefit if someone, mastering this skill?
I think the most benefit one, unless it's money, I think it's more the critical thinking.
Critical
Because
thinking.
yeah, at very first I say that it's human are complex. So
Mm.
when you impersonate someone, you really need like do a lot of research.
Mm.
It's really like time to like, oh, this one is really passionate about these things. And also I think that's the most like things that I can take a benefit ones, the
Yeah.
critical thinking ones.
Okay, critical thinkings. It's also include when you have to say very opportunist.
Right. Because
Right.
because you tend to like, oh, this is things that I can pursue because people like it.
Yeah.
So yeah, you do impersonate skill because people like it.
Okay, okay. What about you? What is the benefit when someone is mastering this skill?
As my sister and my brother say before,
Is she your sister?
not really.
Is he, is he your brother?
Sis, alright, I will just sister because I'm not. Yeah.
Okay, continue.
Just simple things like this the way you improve your life.
Mm-hmm.
Like for example, you improve your skill to the way you impersonate your skill, and you get money. That's it. If
A
you
lot
do-
of endorsement.
yes. It's a good thing to master these kind of things, impersonate skill. So yeah,
Okay.
Take it
If you want to master
one of the-
mastering this
Wha-
skill, what kind of skill? Who is your role model or wannabe?
Mm.
What do you want to be, for example?
Cause right now I wanna to I have an Olympic
Okay.
in one of the campus,
Mm-hmm.
and it's a newscasting.
On newscasting. Okay,
Uh,
who?
So yeah, I don't know the name.
Okay.
Maybe Najwa Sihab and one of the newscasting and kind of stuff in public speaking.
Okay.
So yeah, that's things. That's one of the.
No, I mean the man.
Oh, the man.
Yes.
Mm.
Who is your? If you want or wanna be.
Wanna be? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think it's a
To imitate.
Yeah, it's a content creator on
Oh.
YouTube. His name is Most Critical in a name on YouTube, or his real name is Charlie.
Charlie?
Charlie. It's a
Charlie Pot.
Charlie White.
Charlie White.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's from America.
Okay. After this, we searching.
Yeah, it's joking around and comedy and stuff like that, talking about the news around the world and games and stuff like that. I think I
Okay.
want to impersonate.
Not Jeremy Pauline.
No.
No. Okay. Mathematics master. Oh my
Okay,
god.
no.
Okay. What about you, Anan? What is the positive or the benefit if someone is mastering this skill?
So if we talk about the benefit or the positive about this impersonate, I think I agree about the opinion Mr. Irwan. You know, this impersonate is very beneficial, and I just said recently that these skills impersonate, you can get much money, you can get a lot friends, and you can get much job, like fill the anime voice. Yeah.
That's one of the things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Positive.
Okay. Thank you. My next question. Yeah. Guys, when we're talking about impersonate skill, do you have like, how to say? Yeah, example. As much possible you can, as much as possible you can mention to smart listeners. They have
as much possible about this discussion.
Yeah, discussion about the people who can imitate. Who is your, how to say, your data about this? Who the people can imitate in maybe in public figure in Indonesia? Who?
Of course, it should be role play or role play other people to the most positive people. All right, not the bad one, for example.
Include, it's okay. It's who can imitate something, someone, and everything.
I don't know about all the people in entertainment to be role played or to get his impersonate skill. But I think I'm most likely to see like Najwa Shihab as a good person. I really want to be like her for his attitude and his knowledge and other stuff. I want to be like her.
Okay.
So yeah, I think that's it. I don't really.
So
have
I
much
mean
to-
like not role model, but the
Role
people,
model.
not role model, but the people who can imitate. Yeah.
Like Sule.
Ah,
Sule.
Sule,
Andre.
Wendy.
Who's the people is already old people guy is Budek, what is that called? Daf.
Bolot.
Yeah, the Bolot.
Bolot is the role model.
Oh,
But
yeah.
I mean like the impersonate skill people.
Yeah, Sule. What other else? My God, I don't really have much people.
Because it's
I can
very-
describe it.
Yeah, because it's very it's very how to say, complicated.
Yeah,
Difficult.
or for example, like on a Japanese audio, how's it called again? Kalau in English, pemberi suara.
Voice over.
Voice over.
Yeah.
And in Japanese and anime, you could be like that too. Because that's one of the things impersonate skill that I
Okay.
know.
Thank you. Bakso Aji.
Bakso Aji.
Thank you. What about you? Do you give it a point?
I'm sorry, sir.
The public figure can imitate someone.
Okay, so you said recently that the public figure can imitate someone like Rina Nose.
Oh yeah, Rina
Yes,
knows.
she's
Who else?
a talented person,
Mhm.
and I see the Raffi Ahmad and
Raffi
Olga.
Raffi Ahmad
almarhum.
can imitate who?
Yes, can imitate a lot person.
Olga,
Like,
yes. Olga
is
can
very
imitate many people.
Many people.
Yes.
Very talented person.
But I think Raffi
It's
Ahmad is
great.
not. Yeah. Raffi Ahmad is not.
don't know.
Yeah. Olga, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
go. And the Olga have a little brother. The
Mhm.
name brother is Billy Saputra,
Oh yeah. Okay.
and he give a legacy
Mhm,
his talents from his little brother.
mhm,
But sometimes if I want to try or copy
mhm.
or
Oh, you
impersonate
try
of
you to copy.
people,
Okay.
yes, I have a public figure.
Mhm.
Maybe okay, Jeffrey Nicole.
Oh, it's cool.
yeah.
It's cool.
I think
Jeffrey Nicole.
yeah, because Jeffrey Nicole very seldom about
Mhm.
the gossip,
Mhm.
and he have many friend, and
Mhm.
he have good in career, because this
Mhm.
I admired him
Mhm,
about in entertainment.
mhm, mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What about you, Aura? Do you have like a public figure can imitate someone or something?
I
or
really, I want to mention names, but
Mm.
both of these kakak here already mentioned the name itself. So basically, yeah, the most people that can impersonate is the one is works in comedian.
Mhm.
But I think that if
Kiki Saputri?
yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think so. Does Kiki Saputri impersonate someone?
I'm not sure also.
But the Chagor's team, like
Yes,
Wendy Chagor,
Denny,
yeah,
Wendy,
Denny, and also the Ramsey and etc. There's the one that always do impersonate skill.
Ramsey dan kawan-kawan.
Yeah,
Irfan,
betul.
Hakim.
Yeah, Irfan Hakim and
Mhm.
etc. But also if more it's not public figure, but if you want to find, just type Koser on
Mhm.
Instagram, because that's kind of Instagram for the cosplayer. So
Okay.
basically, yeah, that's kind of impersonate also.
Okay. What about you? Do you have knowledge about the people who can imitate someone like artist or public figure or who?
Yeah. Okay. And then there are in the world.
Mhm.
I just know Gilan maybe. Sir
Ah,
Gilan.
Gilang Dirga.
Because
yeah, the king.
yeah, the
The
king.
king of impersonate.
Yeah,
If
impersonate.
Renanos we call the queen,
Yeah,
Gilang is the king.
the king. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because yes, just I know these people because can do another voice, some like president's voice.
Yeah, yeah.
And etc. I think
Roma Irama.
Yeah, Roma Irama. Yeah.
Iwan Fals, Arman Maulana,
Yeah,
and etc. Many things.
Yeah, etc. I think.
Okay, thank you. Yes, this is the last. The last part. What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Very interesting topic if we talk about impersonate skills, because impersonate skill, I think you have two side. One, the impersonate skill have a positive side, and the impersonate skills have a negative side. Yeah, I think it depends. If you can use your skills, you can get much about function. Yeah,
Okay.
my conclusion.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Nas? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Well, because I just recently searched it. Oh, impersonate skill. So yeah, it's pretty unique also, and yeah, it's pretty interesting topic. There's a lot of things that I just know about the person. Oh, that's it. There's people who impersonate other people
Yeah.
to be good at it. Like they're really good at their things, like for entertainment, like a Sule, but he impersonate other people too. So it's pretty interesting to know. Oh, that's kind of thing exists. Yeah, that's it. Though.
Yeah. Okay. Before we to say make it clear this conclusion, maybe guys you may prepare if we have spare time. Yeah, you may prepare your vocabulary, your idioms. Yeah. If we have still a spare time or extra time to speak, to give our vocabulary or idioms. Okay, we continue. What is your conclusion?
My conclusion for this topic is if you have impersonate skill, you must can how to say gunakan baik-baik.
Yeah.
Because
Do not abuse.
yeah.
Abusing this skill.
yeah. And then I have agree for you. If you have impersonate skill, it's not just show off, because I think many people I show in the social media in the around me just show off what the people have ability.
Okay. Okay, only flexing,
Yeah,
show
yeah.
off, yeah.
Yeah,
Not
show off.
really had
Yeah.
to say because this is only positive, but they just excuse like negative things, right? Okay.
Yeah.
What about you, Aura? What is your conclusion?
Okay, for me, I think from our discussion is very unique things because back then I think that impersonate skill only if I copy someone, but but then it turns out if I make up like them,
Yeah.
if I just act like them, it's totally like also impersonate. However, I think it's very like also like other skill. You need to use it carefully. You don't please make sure you don't being harmful to others.
Yeah.
I think that's my conclusions for our topic today. But yeah, impersonate skill is a good thing
And
to
be
pursue.
wise.
And be wise.
Yeah. Okay, do you have a vocabulary or maybe wise word or idioms, please? Okay, you. What
is idiom?
Yeah, how to say in Indonesia idioms?
Idioms.
Yeah, idioms.
Ah,
Idiom.
I think I will talk about vocabulary. One vocabulary that I just know is for impersonate skill, of course. It means meniru-niru. Meniru, yeah.
Okay, wise word. Do you have a
wise
wise word? Kalimat
If
bijak.
you, I know. If you talent for this skill, for example, impersonate skill, use wisely. Thank you.
Okay. Do you have a wise word?
Okay, so it depends from you. You can use the the change
Mm-hmm.
from you ability thing.
Okay.
So
Do you have a wise word?
What is?
You may make this relate or not. It's okay. Wise word, kata-kata bijak, pesan-pesan.
Yeah, for you guys, if you have impersonate skill, you must using careful. It's not just show off because there is another people again no can do that because yeah sometimes another people insecure from you. I think just it for
Okay, give your value.
yeah.
What about you? Do you have a wise word? Please.
Whatever your skill are, pursue it and make more beneficial to you and others. I think that's all.
Okay, dream, believe, and make it happen. Giving a plus for us. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Aura from HEDS. Yeah. Thank you, Irwan from ECC. Thank you, Nas from PMEC. Thank you, Anan from ECC. Thank you, guys. Giving applause once again for us. Yeah, that's all, smart listeners and viewers, wherever you are. That's all our conversation with English community, Smart of Your Life English discussion. See you for the next week. So big thanks for you guys. See you for the next week. Bye bye.